If you're looking to upgrade or replace your vehicle's stereo wiring harness, this product is tailored for a range of Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Mitsubishi models. It fits popular vehicles like the Dodge Avenger, 2007 to 2011, Chrysler Town Country, 2009 to 2013, Jeep Wrangler, 2007 to 2013, and Mitsubishi Raider, 2008-2009. This harness ensures compatibility and a seamless connection to your factory wiring. What sets this harness apart is its clear color-coded wiring system. Each wire matches the factory harness color for easy identification. For example, green with a black stripe corresponds to speaker wires, making installation straightforward. We recommend using insulated connectors and heat shrink tubing to secure connections and guarantee lasting performance. Unlike simple plug-and-play kits, this harness requires soldering for the best results. It's designed to replace your factory or broken stereo harness safely and reliably. You'll need to tap the red power wire into a keyed-on power source, like the cigarette lighter circuit, to ensure your radio powers on properly. Ignoring this step means your stereo won't turn on. Customers in the United States have praised this harness for its simplicity and reliability. Even those with no prior wiring experience found it easy to follow the instructions and complete the installation. One user mentioned how it worked directly with the Dodge Nitro and appreciated the straightforward wiring directions. This wiring harness offers a practical solution for anyone upgrading their vehicle's audio system. It supports a wide range of models from 2007 to 2013, making it a versatile choice. Whether you're replacing a damaged harness or installing an aftermarket stereo, this product gives you confidence in your connection and sound quality. If you want a hassle-free way to get your radio up and running, this harness is worth a look. It combines compatibility, clear wiring guidance, and reliable materials to make installation smooth. Keep in mind the need for soldering and proper power connection to avoid any issues. Ready to improve your vehicle's sound system without the guesswork? This stereo wiring harness is designed to fit your Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, or Mitsubishi model perfectly. Try it when you're ready and enjoy a cleaner, more reliable connection that supports your audio upgrade.